Welcome to the Pro Book AI training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create an ebook. Go to the left menu and click on Add Ebook Builder. Now click Add New Ebook. Enter all required details. Title. You can use AI Writer to create awesome AI-powered contents for your ebook. Add ebook cover. Add images from local. Just click on Enter and your ebook will be generated. You can add chapters to your ebook. You can view your ebook. You can edit or update your ebook. You can delete your ebook. Thanks for watching the video.